my channel. I'm going in for the hug. I'm always doing this. The weather this week has been so beautiful. It's been so sunny. I like to call this purple tree season because we have these large purple trees all over our neighborhood that bloom at this time of year. We never had them in Chicago, so it just feels like such a springtime Los Angeles thing for me. Anyways, I'm sorry. The thing that I've been staying on top of is wearing SPF. Whether I'm going outside or I'm staying inside, you've still got UV rays coming in through the windows. It's important to wear sunscreen every single day. Today's video is sponsored by Supergoop, which is one of my favorite SPF sunscreen companies. I'm going to talk about these two products that I have been loving, but if you guys are unfamiliar, Supergoop is paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, oxybenzone-free, and also cruelty-free. They are also the only SPF brand to publish efficacy results on their site. I've personally been loving their Glow Screen Sunrise Sunscreen SPF 40. This makes for a wonderful hydrating makeup gripping primer that's going to give your face that fresh, dewy, glowy look with or without makeup. Here's a little side-by-side of my face without the glow screen and with the glow screen underneath my everyday makeup. For reference, I'm also wearing it on my face right now underneath my makeup. I have newly learned the 2-finger trick, which is to apply the sunscreen along the length of 2 of your fingers, and that will indicate the right amount of sunscreen to put on your face to make sure that you are being generous and fully covering everything. Of course, bring it down to the neck as well. This sunscreen is packed with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and B5 for immediate hydration and glow. It's got broad spectrum SPF, which helps protect against UVA, UVB, blue light, and more. Supergoop has recently added a new shade to the family. It is called Golden Hour. It is the most perfect bronzy shade. I also feel like this would be great to mix in with your body sunscreen for just like a little bronzy tint. A little bit of highlights, putting that on the legs, on the arms. If you guys would like to try these out, they are available on supergoop.com. I will link down below in the description box, but also they are available at Sephora. And once again, thank you so much to Supergoop for sponsoring today's video. On to the next.
Right about them. Want to get a box of cereal? Look at her nipples. So you're gonna like school me? I didn't come back here. I got you from the fridge.
This whole grocery store is a fridge.
Go to Rebecca Live. So glad I wrote that song.
Yep.
I want you to. I'm rushing to fill in the order.
Oh really? I'm sorry. I thought this was a free country.
Good morning. Today we woke up super early to go over renovation ideas with the contractor. I'm excited. We're all on the same page and it's gonna look so good. Right now I'm parked outside of my therapist's office for neurofeedback, which is that brain thing that we have discussed in the past. It's honestly so hard to tell if it is helping with anything. One of the things that we focused on last week, and I was supposed to take note if I saw a difference, but my auditory processing is complete bullshit. Someone can be talking to me and I will hear a completely different word, especially if I am talking while I'm hearing, or if I'm reading something. That's the worst. I cannot be in 2 conversations at once across 2 different mediums. So that's what we focused on last week, and I really haven't noticed a difference. Like, I am constantly being like, what was that? What did you say? I don't know, but we're gonna go in, see how it goes. I'm late, let's go.
Sit. Good girl. Stay. 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 Okay. It's okay. Okay. That's a sweet girl.
Kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need a fix?
Here's what's happening underneath. They've leveled everything out with gravel, added these pipes, and now they're starting to pour the concrete.
To see you in your eyes look Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
The tiles.
Not blue. Blue too. Bad mood. Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about.
My ring fell off. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow I am leaving for Chicago because I Love My Dad is going to have a screening at the Chicago Critics Film Festival. And of course I'm bringing my family with me. So it'll be me, my mom, my dad, my brother Kevin, my oldest brother. I already showed it to him, but he lives in a different country. But I'm really excited for them to see it in a theater because it's the optimal way of watching it. I don't even know if I mentioned this on YouTube, but Magnolia Pictures bought our film and it's gonna be released in theaters August 5th, and then August 12th it'll be available for rent, on demand, purchase, all that stuff. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I can't believe how soon it's coming out. This morning, Ava came over to help me with a self-tape real quick. I wanna show you guys what's happening outside. I'm sort of sad that I'm leaving while so much is happening in the backyard because I've been documenting the process of it and I'm gonna be missing so much, and I'd like to pretend that Phineas would take photos and videos of the process, but he's not gonna do that. So let me show you guys what's happening right now because things are happening. They've started laying down the outline and we decided that we're gonna do like a diamond diagonal pattern on the inside because why not? So just the outside has been cemented down.
Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you?
10:37. Meant to wake up at 8:30. Kept pressing snooze. And now it's 2 hours later. Alright. Oatmeal. Matcha. I can never escape construction. It's always happening around me. I think our neighbors are doing, clearly they're doing something. This morning has been super chill. It's not morning anymore. This day. It's 2:30. Today's been very chill. I've spent most of it with my mom. We went grocery shopping, picked up a few things. I like my dairy-free substitutes. The things that my parents are afraid to buy because they're worried they're gonna get the wrong thing. I just finished up my lunch. Right now I am memorizing an audition. The weather is actually so beautiful this week. It's a little bit humid, which is a nice difference and change from LA. I feel like my skin really loves the humidity, the wetness. It feels nice and moisturizing. I love coming back home this time of year because everything is so green, everything is blooming. Our house feels like it's nestled in this forest. Like there's just so many trees everywhere. Oh.
Hi, Freddie.
Hi, babe. Dude. Oh my God, it looks so good. Right now I'm going to hop onto a Zoom meeting.
Not blue. Not blue. Not
This dress is Realization Par, some black cowboy boots. For some reason, doing my makeup in my childhood bedroom like really throws me off. I suddenly feel like I don't know how to do makeup again. Or maybe I'm just like not used to the lighting or something, but everything just feels like I'm throwing it together, you know? But then explain to me why when I do my makeup in hotel room, it's better. than when I do it at home. I'm better at doing my makeup when I'm in a hotel. Like, what's up with that?
Extra.
I can wait.
Blue dew, blue moon, been 1 or 2 since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full.
So cute.
How do you feel?
I feel great. This is so bad. I love the
It's the shittiest camera
It's
in the entire
amazing.
world.
It's perfect.
I got it.